So good morning friends, standard 12 commerce, subject statistics and chapter number 1, that is index number. Last time we complete up to example number 20 and exercise 1.4 will be homework for you. And right now we are going to discuss about next typical examples related to index number. So here we will start first example and that example number 21. So we will start example number 21. So here we start with the help of that particular examples. The price of three items A, B and C. Okay. So here three items is given. So here three items is given A, B, C. The price of three items A, B, C among five items have increased in the year by 90%, 120% and 70% respectively with the respect of year 2010. Whereas the price of two items B and E, it means that another two items is there, D and E. So total five items is there. Have decreased 2%, 5% respectively. Item A is 4 times important than item B and item C is 6 times important than item A. The importance of D and E is 2.5 times of importance of that item B. Compute the general price index number of year 2015 for all the five items. Okay, so here item is given. Number 2, index number increase and decrease is also given. So here I will write index number okay, either is the increase or decrease. Okay, so in two items that D and E it's a decrease, but three items A, B, C it's increase. How many percentage increase? So here first 90%, in second 120%, in second third 70%. So 3 that's increase. Next number 2 D and E. So here decrease by 2% and here decrease by 5%. Okay, so here percentage is given. So as we know that is the general index number is always that we are taking as a 100. Okay, so 100 is a particular general index number. Okay, so here index number. Okay, so here 100. Okay, I will write all the answers with the help of white chalk stick so you can understand easily. So here first of all we have to find out general index number. What is the formula of general index number? I is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W because weight is given. Weight is that. So what we have to do? Index number I is here. Then we have to find out W, okay, and in last again we have to find out IW. So in this way we have to complete our example. Okay, so here I is there. So as we know, what is the general index number? That is 100, which is same for all year. So here 100, 100, 100 for all 5 years. Here plus 90. Answer is 190. Here plus 120. Answer is 220. Here plus 70. Answer is 170. Here minus 2. That means 98. And here minus 5. That means 95. So in this way, we have to find out index number. Again, index number is increased by 90, 120, 70, minus 2 and 5. What is the general index number or what is the percentage? 100%. So 100 plus 90, 190. 100 plus 20, 120. 100 plus 70, 170. 100 here minus. So we have deduct from 100. 100 minus 2, 98. 100 minus 5, 95. Now, what is the important task that we have to calculate here? See, weight is given, but weight is not directly given. But hint is there. So according to the hint, what we have to do? We have to allocate the work. Okay. So here See, I will read and then after I show the effect. Item A is 4 times important than item B. Okay, item A. It means that item A is 4 times important than item B. Okay, so for example, suppose item B is 1. Item B, weight of item B is 1. So 4 times, that means 1 into 4. 4 times, so here 4. So here item A is 4 times important than item B. And item C 6 times important than item A. 6 times important than item A. Here 4, 6 times important. So 6 multiplied by what is item A? 4. So here 24. Again, item B. Whatever item B is there, weight of item B is there. Item A's important is 4 times than item B. So here 1, so here 4. And item C is 6 times important than item A. So here 24. And D and E, so here for D and E is given. D and E is 2.5 times important than item B. Item B is that 2.5 times. It means that 2.5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2.5. 2.5 multiplied, because B is equal to 1, is equal to 2.5. So this is weight is that. Now the total of weight 24 plus 1, 25, 25 plus 9, 29, 25 plus 4, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 as well as 0.5, the total is 34. So total W is equal to 34. Now IW. So what we have to do? Simplify. We have to do multiplication of both the items. Okay. So here with the help of calculator we can do 190 into 4, that is 760. 120 into 1, sorry 220 into 1, 220. 170 into 24, that is 4080. 98 into 2.5, that is 245. And 2.5 into 95 is 237.5. And total of this, that is 5542.5. So this is the total of IW. So as per our formula, 2 items or 2 data that we have, so we can easily find out 5542.5 divided by 34. So your answer will be 163.0147. Third digit is 4. No need to change. 136.63.01. General index number is 100. So how much it increases? 63.01. How much it increase? 63.01. How we can find out? Index number increase decrease is that. So index number, general index number is 100. So we are taking as a 100, or percentage is 100. We are taking as a 100. Whatever plus minus is there, we have to do. Then W. So weight is given. So according to the planning, that we have to give the weight. Then IW, that means multiplication of both, and we have to find out general index number. So sigma IW upon sigma W, two things is required. W and IW both we have. We have to put the value in the formula and find out the formula. General index number is 100. Then we have to deduct, and final answer that we have to find out, that is 63.1. Okay, write down in your notebook. So after the completion of example number 21, now we are going to discuss about example number 22. So here I will write example number 22. The details of expense of fuel for a group of workers of a region as follows. So whatever information is given, it's a group of fuel. So whatever information is there, it is related to only fuel. And what is information? Item is there: coal, kerosene, wood and matchbox. 4 items is there. Almost it is related to fuel. Then quantity is there. Base year 2012. Quantity is given 5, 25 and 10. Price is given 25, 40, 22 and 0.90, which I write already. It's question as a question. And 2014 price 30, 45, 25, 1. Now we have to prepare the index number of group of fuel expenditure from those data. If the expenditure of for another group is there, for example food, clothing, HR and miscellaneous expense is 3, 2.5, that is given. Again I will write question as a question, that index number is given 3, 2.5, 4.5 and 3.25. If it is given, then what we have to do respectively, if the expenditure of those group is 42%, 15%, 10% and 12% respectively of the total expenditure, then prepare the cost of living index number for the workers. See, in this example, cost of living index number 2 types is there: family budget method and total expenditure method. And these two methods is included here. See, this is the important example. See that this example carefully. So what we have to do? We have to find out cost of living index number with the help of two methods. Both the methods that we have to use. So simple. Again, with the help of example, with the help of data of example which is given here, we can find out, okay, that what formula we have to use here. Okay. So here quantity is given. Days year quantity, that is Q0. Here P0 and here P1. So as we know, that is base year quantity, that is Q0, base year price P0 and current year price that we have denoted as P1. So what is the formula? So formula I is equal to sigma P1 Q0 sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. Which method? Total expenditure method. So again, we have to find out two things, require two things. Number one, that is P1 Q0, second P0 Q0. Okay, so this is as same as last year's index number. Okay, so again we have to, how we have to find out? So multiplication of both things, whichever date P1 Q0. So multiplication of both. 5 and these are 150. Okay, same as we have to 45 into 20 900, 25 into 5 125, 1 into 10, that is 10. So this way we have to find out P1 Q0 and total is 1185. Okay, same as P0 Q0. So here P0 Q0 multiplication of these both things, 5 into 25 125, 800, 20 into 40, 22 into 5 110 and 0.90 into 10. 0.90 into 10, that is 9. Again total of this 1044. So this is the answer of first required things. Now same both values that we have to put down in our particular things. 1185 divided by 1044 into 100. Okay, so again we have to find out, that is 113.5057. Third thing is 5 or more than 5. Here 5, we have to convert 113.51. See, this is the answer of index number with the help of, with the use of total expenditure method. Now what we have to do? This same data we have to use here. Okay, so here another group is that index number, as we know, that is index number is always we are denoted as a 100. Okay, so what is the index number of other things? So here we got 300, 250, 450 and through 325. 4 groups are there, but one group is missing. What we have to find out here, that is coal. Okay, fuel. So here fuel, that is what we have to find out, 113.51, and we have to find out in above examples. Okay, so here now weight is given in a percentage. Okay, weight is given in a percentage. How much weight is there? Number 1, that is 42, in second that is 15, third that is 10, fourth is 12. Here weight is missing. But as we know that weight is given in which form? Percentage. And as we know, percentage is always how many? 100. So we have to put here 100. We deduct all the weights from given for food, clothing, HR and miscellaneous expense. So definitely we get the food of, that is the total fuel weight. Okay, so here weight is 21. Total family budget method, I is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. Okay, so this is the formula. Now what we have to do? We have to find out total W is given 100 because it's on a percentage form, as well as IW. So we have to multiply off this whole thing because this is I, this is W. Okay, so simplify. We have to do the multiplication of both these. Number 1, 300 into 42, that is 12,600. 250 into 15, 3750. 450 into 10, 4500. 325 into 12, that is 3900. And 113.51 into 21, that is 2383.71. Okay, so this is the data which is useful to find out index number. Okay, so here total number, that is 27,133.71. So this is the total. Now this total that we have to use to find out our index number. So here put value in the formula, 27133.71 divided by 100. Okay, so here 271.371. So here 271.34. As we know, general index number is 100, so it is increased 171.34%. So this is the answer. Again, in above also it is 113.5. It's useful, so no need to deduct 100 from here. What we have to do again? We have to give the information of coal, kerosene, wood and matchbox, which is related to fuel. Base year quantity Q0, base year price P0 and current year price P1. Whatever data is given, we have to find out. Formula is P1 Q0, P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. So we have to find out P1 Q0, P0 Q0 with the help of multiplication of these things. Answer will be 1185 and 1044. This particular data we have to put out here and find out the value 113.51. See, this is the index number of coal, matchbox, wood and kerosene, which is related to fuel. So here other groups is that, for example, food, clothing, HR and miscellaneous expense, and fifth that we have to put down here, that is fuel. Now index number is given 3, 2.5, 4.5, 3.25. As we know, index number here we have to multiply with the help of 100 because general index number is 100. So what we have to do? We have to multiply all the things. So answer will be get, that is answer will be 300, 220, 450, 325, 113.51. Weight is given in percentage 42, 15, 10 and 12. This weight is not given in the example, but as we know that is given in a percentage means that total percentage is 100. So we have to deduct all the weight from 100. So we get 21. We do the multiplication of these both things. So we get the answer of 27133.71. With the help of family budget, we have to find out the value. So what is the formula? Sigma IW upon sigma W. We have to put this value in this particular formula and get the answer, that is 271.34. As we know that is general index number 100 from it, so we get the answer 171.34%. Okay, write down this in your notebook. So after the completion of example number 22, now we are going to discuss about example number 23. So here example number 23, find out the real wage for the worker class of a city from the following data about their average monthly wage and cost of living index number. Base year is 2001. Find the purchasing power of money in the year of 2015 by taking base year of 2001 and state the importance of this answer. So here 2010, 2011, 2012, 13, 14 and 15. Here is given average monthly wage 15,000, 15,600, 16,200, 17,000, 18,000 and 20,000. So this is average monthly wage is given. Cost of living index number 192, 203, 228, 268, 270 and 287. This is cost of living index number. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out real wage to make this purchasing power. Now, first of all, the formula. What is the formula? So here, real wage is equal to average monthly wage divided by cost of living index number. What is the formula? Average monthly wage divided by cost of living index number multiplied by 100. So each year we have to find out. For example, here 2010, 15,000 divided by 192 multiplied by 100. Okay. So here for 2010, same as 2011, 2012. So I will write here 2010 answer, that is 7812.5. Okay. So same here, we have to write down here that 15,000 divided by 192 multiplied by 100, 7812.5. Okay. Same as if we have to find out for the year 2011, then 15,600 divided by 203 multiplied by 100. Same as here 60,200, 228 multiplied by 100. Here 17,000 divided by 268 multiplied by 100. Here 18,000 divided by 270 multiplied by 100. Here 20,000 divided by 287 multiplied by 100. So same as with the help of calculator we have to find out. Here 7684.73. Okay. Same as for another year. Again we have to find out that third year 7105.26. 6343.28. 6666 4 times 6 666.67. Okay, and 6968.64. Okay, in this way we have to find out a real wage of this particular things. Now let's discuss about what is the average particular year. So here average is, with the help of 2001 we have to take. So 2001 general index number is 100, and here 2015 general index number 287. So we have to find out with the help of 100 divided by 287, that is 0.3484. Third digit is 8, so we have to do round off 35. So 0.35, we have to say that value of money is increases. Okay, and with respect of 2015, the money is 6,968.64. It's a disposable average monthly wage. So in this particular video, what we have learned, we have to learn 3 examples. Example number 21, example number 22, and example number 23. Now in this video, only one video is remaining, and that video is totally related to the small example. Okay, as we know that index number is always asked in the board exam for 12 marks. In 12 marks, 5 mark question is there, 1 line MCQ is there, 1 mark question is there, 2 mark question is there, 3 mark question is there, 5 mark question is there. So here only those questions those were asked in a 2 mark question that we are going to learn, that is illustration example number 24 in the next video. So up to 23 it is your homework. We have to complete all the exercise related to this as well as up to illustration 23. Okay, thank you.